Honorable Member Manvi Sharma.
Honorable Speaker, thank you for the opportunity. A very warm evening, everyone. Well, I strongly oppose the idea of compensating aspirants by the government on account of paper leak with a suitable amount. As National Testing Agency is a part of government and is the prominent agency for conducting many major public examinations like NEET, JEE, CUET, etc. Mr. Speaker, let us consider NEET exam. This year, around 24 lakh students appear. Let me throw some light on the data. Around 400 crore rupees were collected from the students of various categories. 400 crores, Mr. Speaker. My question to you all, is it feasible to compensate students in monetary terms every time if any paper is leaked? Is monetary compensation the only solution for it? No, absolutely not. My worthy opponents, have you ever thought about a country's economy? If government would pay compensation to every student in the form money, our country would have to confront the situation of recession. This financial burden can redirect resources away from essential public services such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure development, thereby affecting the broader public welfare. Additionally, it's the moral obligation of the parents to give support to the children at the time of distress so that they may not take the wrong steps. And if we talk about the primary responsibility of the examination authorities, it is to ensure integrity and fairness of the examination process and not to provide financial compensation for unforeseen events. The best compensation to the students is not in monetary terms. It should be in the terms of justice given to them by punishing their culprits. The people involved in paper leak not only be fined a hefty amount, but also debarred from every job and exams and should be put behind the bars. Honorable Speaker, if strict actions would be implemented, then people would not have the nerves to indulge in such fraudulence. The amount collected as fines must be compensated to the respective agencies conducting exams and not the students, as the form money collected from students is utilized in the conduction of the examinations. Also, I would like to add the fact that NTA must increase its manpower so that chances of paper getting leaked would be minimized. In conclusion, while the motion to compensate aspirants affected by paper leaks is well-intentioned, it is fraught with practical, financial, and ethical challenges. I would like to conclude my say with the poem, "Justice waits in shadows deep, for every secret there are those who keep. In time, the truth will come to light, exposing wrongs done in the night. Guard your honor, keep faith near, for integrity
go
is
back to your
found,
seat.
it's crystal clear. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.